Super King Air 250 Alpha Alpha, currently on runway 33.
Super King Air 250 Alpha Alpha, Washington Tower. Traffic holds in the numbers on runway 33. They'll be departing prior to your arrival. Runway 33, clear to land.
Runway 33, Alpha
2134, Washington Tower, you up?
Yes, sir, just switched.
American 2134, and past the RJ and just hold short, runway 1, be ready to go.
Okay, hold short 1, we'll sequence in front of the RJ, American 2134.
Blue Street 5388, runway 33 clear for immediate takeoff, traffic 2 mile final from runway 1.
33 clear for your immediate takeoff, 5388.
Blue Street 5388, expedite your climb through 3000 and contact the Summit Depart traffic on 1. American 2134, Washington Tower, runway 1, line up and wait, traffic 6 mile final.
Let him wait, runway 1, American 2134.
American 2134, wind 040 at 5, traffic 4 mile final, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway 1 clear for takeoff, American 2134.
American 2134, cancel takeoff clearance. Super King Air 0 Alpha Alpha, go around, go around.
Rejecting the takeoff, 2134.
0 Alpha Alpha cannot go around, we were already on the ground.
American 2134, roger. And go ahead and just exit at Mike for me, exit at Mike, join Juliet, and contact ground. We're going to resequence you. America 2153, and go around, cancel landing clearance, turn left heading a 280, maintain 3000.
Canceling landing clearance, going around American 213, heading 280 up to 3000.
Super King at 0 Alpha Alpha, contact ground point 7.
Point 7, 250 Alpha Alpha.
November 250 Alpha Alpha, Washington ground, takes you to the ramp via November, Juliet, Foxtrot Kilo.
America 2134, do you want to go back to the gate?
We need to talk to maintenance, but yeah, I think we're above 80 knots, so we're gonna have to get an inspection.
Okay, America 2134, roger, and just go ahead and contact ground. We'll resequence you back.
All right, yeah, we'll figure out what we're gonna do here.
Roger.
Hey, ground, American 2134. We need a place to sit after that rejected takeoff. We got to figure out what we're gonna do here.
American 2134, roger. It's doing Kilo Whiskey to hold bay 4.
Okay, Kilo Whiskey to hold bay 4, American 2134. 2134 in the hold bay 4 here. We need to go back to gate Delta 36.
Okay, American 2134, roger. 36 takes you to the gate via Kilo.
Okay, taxi to Delta 36 via Kilo, American 2134.